If you're an overlander, chances are you're carrying some tools. And if you're not, well,
it's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for them.
So today we're going to take a look at some different ways that you can organize your overland toolkit with some of the bags from Blue Ridge Overland Gear, going from kind of like the minimal to everything in the kitchen sink. Starting down here with a tool pouch sling. This is our smallest tool bag, but it still holds plenty, and it's super popular with like the ADV moto crowd because it's so streamlined when it folds up. Speaking of, you don't even have to worry about closing it. You can just grab this strap and it closes itself and ready to roll. Then on the opposite end of the spectrum, you've got the tool bag. This is the triple run tool bag to be exact. This is the largest capacity tool bag we have and still opens nice and flat, so you've got access to all of your tools. And then last but not least, my personal favorite, the tool pouch roll. 2 clips and everything lays out flat. It comes with 4 of our pouches, but you got room to add more. Speaking of more, this is our Velcro pouch large. It's 4x12, and this is our Velcro pouch XL. It's 6x12. Kind of to review the capacity, you get 6 of these with a tool bag, 4 of these with a tool pouch roll with some room to grow, or 2 of these in the tool pouch sling. So what does that mean in terms of capacity? Well, we know for sure that you can get about a 250 piece toolkit in these 4 pouches that come with a tool pouch roll. That means, without really stressing anything, easily 300, 350 in the tool bag. Now, while these bags are kind of different in their form factor and in their capacity, design-wise, they feature mil-spec webbing, super strong Cordura material. Most of these have got places to lash things on the outside, like the Molly panel here on the tool bag, and they've got Velcro for ID panels. We have a bunch in stock, or you can always go with the custom option. Tools, obviously really popular. If you want people to know that you don't use, like, I don't know, other parts of your body, you can go with the hand tools. Or if you want to break it down even more specifically, electrical and things like that. So which tool bag might be right for your overland rig? Well, that's a question you may have to answer for yourself a little bit. I would look at this from a couple of different perspectives. One, how much wrenching do you really do? If you've got something that's relatively new, relatively stock, and you're not doing super difficult trails, you probably just need the basics, you know, to tighten down accessories, your roof rack, or things like that. You could definitely get by with a tool pouch sling. It holds plenty of tools. Or if you want to make sure you do have everything you might need, including maybe some spare parts like bulbs and hoses, things like that, the tool pouch roll. Now, if your rig is old enough to vote, it's registered as an antique, or it's heavily modified, that would definitely suggest the tool bag. Or you can just use this to make sure you got everything you might need for your rig or someone else's. It folds up nice and flat. It can fit under a seat, in drawers, places like that, so it doesn't take up a ton of room. But when it's time to get to wrenching, it lays out flat, and you can even grab these, pull them out, and just have the tools that you need to tackle the job. Now, one last thing that we don't want you to forget, all of our bags, including the tool bag, the tool sling, and the tool pouch roll, are made right here in Virginia, and they're backed by our lifetime warranty. We know you depend on these to keep your rig running and to continue on your adventure, so we don't want you to ever have to worry about the bag being the thing that fails. If you're in the market to up your organization of your tools and your rig, hopefully this answers some questions and gives you some ideas. As always, you can find this and more great gear at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.